news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 6 from verse 1 to verse 29. The Nazareth people them turned against Jesus. Then Jesus left the place there and him and him follower them go back to Nazareth where him come from. On the Sabbath, him teaching at the Jew them church. Whole heap of people who did hear him couldn't believe them ears. So them asked, how where that man you get the sitting them where him teach from? How him so wise? And the miracle them where him walk? How where him get the power to do them? How who him? No the carpenter this. No Mary boy. And we don't know him brother them, James, Joseph, Judas and Simon. And him sister them no live here with we. And so them did vex and they want deal with Jesus none at all. But Jesus said to them, say, people ever respect and big up prophet, you know. Only the people them when born and grow amongst him own a family and who him live with, not show him the respect there. So Jesus couldn't work no miracle there. Only if he touch couple sick people and make them better. And him couldn't believe all the people them name believe in him. Jesus sent out him 12 apostles them. Then Jesus go round and teach in the district them. Him call him 12 apostles them and send them out 2-2 and give them the right to run out wicked spirits. Him tell them say, when you go which part me send you, the only thing you fi carry I want to walk and take. No bread, no bag, no money. Wear no slippers, but no carry no other clothes. And him tell them say, anytime you go in a one house, stand there till you left the area. If you go in a one area and the people them not take you in, or no one hear what you have to say, shake the dust off of your foot when you not left. To warn them and to show them say, God not happy with them and Him going to judge them. So them left and start to preach. Say everybody fi turn away from them sin and turn to God. Them run out enough demon and nine enough sick people with oil and make them get better. King Herod chop off John the Baptist's head. King Herod did hear about all what Jesus did do. Because everybody did know about Jesus. Some of the people them did say, him and John the Baptist come back alive. So that make him have power in him to work miracle. Some other people did say, him a Elijah. Still, some other people did say, him a one prophet. Like one of the prophet them from way back when. But when Herod hear all what the people them did say about Jesus, him say, a John who for head me did make them chop off, a him come back alive. King Herod did make him soldier them arrest John and lock him up in a prison. Him do that sake of Herodias, him brother Philip's wife, where him did take away and married. Cause John did tell him over and over say, it not right for you marry your brother's wife. You have broke the law. So Herodias carried bad belly for John and did want to kill him. But she never get the chance because Herod did well respect John and protect him. Because he know said John did one good man we always do it right. Herod did love to listen to John, even though every time him hear him, what John say confuse him more and more. But Herodias get her chance on the day when Herod did keep up his birthday party. All of the top man them in the government, the top army people them, and the leader them from Galilee did there the party. Herodias' daughter danced for Herod and he gets them. Them did well happy with how she danced. So Herod said to her, say, ask me for anything where you want and me will give you. He promised her, say, anything you ask for, me will give you. Up to half of my kingdom. So she left and go ask her mother, Mama, what me fi ask for? And mother tell her, say, ask for John the Baptist's head. So she run back to the king same time and tell him what she want. She say, but want John the Baptist's head pan one plate right now. The king heart start at him when him hear what she asked for. But he couldn't take back him word because him did done promise her in front of all and guess them already. So him order him soldier them same time for go chop off John's head carry it come. So the soldier them go at the prison, go chop off John head. One of them put it on one plate and carry go give the little girl, and the girl carry it go give her mother. When John follow them hear what happen, them go take him body and bury him. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God